Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lessons with myself, Kolping Mbumba. Today we break down an IsiXhosa word called Igqoboka. Igqoboka. Now, Igqoboka is used in referencing a Xhosa person with a Western institutionalized education or way of living who thinks other black people are dumb, stupid, or less human. Ulibona ngonyusa impumlo Igqoboka xa kusindiwe athi umntu uve ngayo umntu esithi bumenza nauseous ubulongwe. Qonde wow umanyoko. Now Amagqoboka collectively thinks sikhaphe wona apha emhlabeni shem. Igqoboka is usually less informed about IsiXhosa cultural matters, heavily misinformed about their own heritage, and will defend the Western status quo and English way of living against everything. Umntu athi angazazi noba izilimela zakhe zingaphi ngoba kaloku ungcono mntkbw ungcono. Igqoboka is known in the Xhosa culture as the total opposite of Iqaba. Now, Iqaba is a person considered by Amagqoboka to be uneducated, backwards, and technologically illiterate. Now, Iqaba is in fact the one who is very, very informed about their culture and is very, very aware of themselves and their background and history of their heritage. Right? It's a person who prides themselves ngenkcubeko nohlakanipha kwemveli. Ulwazi olubanzi ngesintu, amasiko, izithethe nembali yethu gabalala. Igqoboka is pronounced Igqoboka. Igqoboka. Nansoke. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.